walking our dogs at the wildlife reserve, and they're on sensory overload here. It is beautiful. Bunch of swans over there. You said you... Where's a blue heron? Another one? These dogs, there's birds everywhere. The dogs are going crazy with all these new smells. They're not used to walking in a reserve like this. They usually just walk along the waterfront or around the block or whatever. Try and keep crannies out of the burrs with this hair. Sit. Good girl. Squirrel. So, no dogs beyond this point. Environmentally sensitive area. That kind of sucks because that's where we came to go for a walk. Oh well. We'll have to walk the other way. So we're back where we started, on Halls Road. We're gonna walk here, but dogs aren't allowed, so we're gonna go across the street here. This is new. We've never been here. Haven't been here in a few years anyways, but this section of trail is new. Looks like it's paved.
Yeah, that other time we came, we parked at my brother's and walked in that way. Great, another bike.
So at least the dogs are allowed. No horses. No four-wheelers, no camping, no snowmobiles, no shooting. Oh, and it's under video surveillance. That's different.
Morning.
Morning.
Good job. So no, she didn't react to that. And then she went nuts to go by my bike. It's scary.
On the other section of trail now, we get up to the Bobo Link Trail, but unfortunately again there's no dogs in this area, so that's a nice stone little path. We're gonna have to continue on this paved area. Still beautiful. The lake's just coming up over here. I haven't been here in years. Girl.
going? Right beside each other. Oh, Granny's ruined it.
Oh, we got a crisscross happening here. Ugh. Crannies.
My husband will come outside of me.
Okay, we're back. Whoops, wrong button. Up you get.